The last special right triangle we're going to work on constructing is the idea of a 30, 60, 90. Now, I know this is one people probably got confused with the most because they can't think of how to get to the 60 degrees or the 30 degrees. After all, we know how to draw angle bisectors, so we can cut a 90-degree angle in half by half, but we don't know how to cut it down into thirds. And we know that this is roughly the final image we're going to want of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So we'll show you how to get there. So to start, there is an understanding that I actually can create a 60-degree angle by constructing equilateral triangles, because any equilateral triangle you have ever has all 60-degree angles. And we are going to exploit that. So what I'm going to do is start by constructing a equilateral triangle, which we already know how to do by now. I'm going to draw my first segment. Use the slider to measure out the distance of my of the base of the equilateral triangle. Draw one arc, another arc, and boom. Now I have a equilateral triangle where I know every one of these angles is 60 degrees. This is 60, this is 60, and this is 60. So now we have options. I can either try to make my 30, 60, 90 off of my right angle, or off of my 30-degree angle. I feel like working with the finding the 30-degree angle because we don't do angle bisectors very often. If I already know that this is 60 degrees right here, then cutting this in half is going to be what I need to make a 30-degree angle. So what we're going to do is create an angle bisector. Where you gotta put your center of your compass onto the vertex. Measure out your first arc so you can find your first 2 points to draw your second arcs out of. And then I have my angle bisector. And now that I've done this, I know that this is a 90-degree angle, this is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. And I can erase all my excess. And boom, 30, 60, 90.